everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a very simple stand. I need something to block my speakers from when you walk into my office. So my office is a mess right now because I'm in the middle of doing a makeover for my office, which is going to be next month's video. I'll do a little series on my office makeover. But anyway, so I wanted to make a little stand to kind of block the speaker, so when you first walk in my office, you can't see the speaker, the back of my speaker. It's kind of ugly. So that is what I'm going to be making today. But I also want it to be pretty, so we'll see how it comes out. The other thing I wanted to tell you guys is I did not get enough responses to do what I originally was going to do for my giveaway for this month. But honestly, what I was going to do was a blinged phone case. But I can't do a blinged phone case because there's so many different phones, and I would want everyone who could participate could utilize what I'm giving. So I didn't have enough time this month to do what I wanted to do. Some of the stuff didn't come in the orders, so I will do that next month. And so for my giveaway this month, I am doing a gift card. It'll be a surprise. So, but I'm sure everybody can use it, promise. Anyway, so simple entry procedures, again this time, subscribing to my channel, like my video, and also share my video, that would be fabulous. And then comment below that you participated and would like to enter, and then we will do the giveaway in probably about 1 week. We'll do 1 week. So today is the 18th. We will do it on the 25th of February. We'll have the giveaway announcement. Okay, let's get started. So for this project, I'm using 2 of these 10 by 10 square blocks that I got from Amazon. Also using this spray paint. So first I'm going to spray paint these silver. For the top, I'm only just spray painting the edges because it'll mostly be covered by the mirrors. These are the squares, and I've spray painted them. The tops, I just kind of did the edge. I did a real light job on it, but most of it's going to get covered. So the first thing I want to do is connect these 2 together, and I will put a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm going to screw them tight so that they can't come apart. So we're going to just put a little bit of glue on this. And then I'm going to just drill this, just a screw on each side. Okay, so for these, I think I'm going to try to do four screws on these. So now all 4 legs are on. Sorry, I have to have my lotion on. My hands are always so dry. Okay, and let's see what it looks like. I think it'll be a nice stand. Get it from the side. I think it'll be nice. So now what we're gonna do is glue the mirrors on. I probably should wear gloves, but I just like to clean them. And we're just gonna hot glue these on, just like this. Now these have legs on them, so we're gonna have to take these off. So I'm just gonna take a little razor blade and see if I can slice it off. I'm gonna put some E6000 on this, just in the corners. And I'm gonna put hot glue on it too. So, should be able to put this up. We're gonna use all but one. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this layer, this last row off. Now it does have adhesive behind it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some E6000 on here too. The glass slid. So I'm gonna put, because I ran out, so I'm gonna put piece these together and do 2 strips on the top, and then I'll put one of these in the middle and see how that looks. All right, hopefully you can see this. Try to, this way so you can see it. As you know, I have run out of glass pieces, so we're kind of cut and pasting to make it work, but we're gonna make it work. It's all good. So this time I'm not hot gluing them because they seem to get a little bit bumpy when I do it. Well, I thought I'd show you because when I tried to set it up, I didn't like the way it looked. There was such a gap in between. So I am now putting this all along the edge. I also didn't like the way the the middle looked. So because the mirror looked crooked, so I decided to add this to it. So a couple changes. You know me, guys. I'm always changing stuff, but I think it looks a lot better this way. Also, when you have this, I don't know if you've noticed this, but sometimes you get things stuck all over your scissors. Sometimes you get crystals that are like half of a circle. So you do have to watch that. It's not, every single one of them's not in perfect shape. But anyway, just wanted to show you real quick that I made another change, but I think it looks a lot better this way. A lot more fancier than I was originally trying to go for, but I think it looks really nice. This is just to show you that not all projects go as planned. This had some hiccups that I had to overcome, but I wanted to show you the location of where I wanted to put this. So when you walk into my office, ignore my office because it's a mess right now. So see, when you walk in, you see this back of the speaker here. I thought if I put something that blocked it a little bit, then you wouldn't see it anymore. So see how that now covers the speaker. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. And until next time, bye-bye.